it's not that the client didn't want to pay you. Maybe it got, caught in their spam folder, or maybe they're busy, or maybe the fact that they're going through a traumatic life situation. All right, so there are two things that law firms can do to really reduce their risk on collections and to also improve the collection rate of the cases that they support. The first thing is you want to be very clear and consistent with your clients about your billing practices. So when your client signs that agreement, make sure you have a discussion about how the billing works. Like, explain to them, hey, this retainer is going to be an upfront payment and it is probably going to cover everything that we do to get you ready to go into trial, or everything that we do for the next 2 weeks. And here's the type of legal work that needs to happen within the first 2 weeks. And then you can explain to them, hey, after we reach that milestone in your case, here's kind of what you can expect. Here's the type of legal work that usually happens after that milestone. Because if the client goes in with a better understanding, they can kind of prepare their finances in a way to really be able to support, like, hey, I have an idea how much this is going to cost and how this process is going to go. The next thing is just to be consistent about following up on invoices. It is very surprising the number of law firms that have been able to fix their collection issue by just simply having someone on the team that is consistently following up on unpaid invoices. Because sometimes when you send an invoice, it's not that the client didn't want to pay you. Maybe it got, caught in their spam folder, or maybe they're busy, or maybe the fact that they're going through a traumatic life situation, so they don't see every email that comes through. But for the firms that do have a follow-up process of, like, hey, if an invoice is not paid by the due date, there's, let's say, a friendly email or a text that follows up. If it's not paid within 5 days, there's another email that comes. If it's not paid within 10 days, there's a phone call that's made. If it's not paid within 20 days, there's a second, a little more direct phone call made. Well, when those follow ups are put in place, what those types of firms tend to see is that their collection rate improves, and the percent of invoices that are outstanding tends to dramatically go down because they have simple follow ups for invoices that are unpaid. Hey, thanks for tuning into the Family Law Firm Finance Show. At the end of the day, we make finance less complicated so you can build a more profitable law firm. If this was helpful for you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow us for more great content.